So we are discussing the chapter numbers, and we saw one digit numbers, and one digit number is also known as single digit numbers. Okay, and we saw the smallest one digit number, biggest one digit number. Then we put together 10 sticks and we make a bundle of 10, and we said 10 ones is equal to 110. And also we saw the numbers up to 40. Okay, now let me ask you, what is this number? This number, how much sticks are there in ma'am's hand? How many sticks are there? How many? This is 4 bundles of 10. So total how many sticks are there?
40.
The number? 40. Now 40 sticks. Okay, 4 bundles of 10. So 40. Okay, now 4 tens and 1 that we are going to write. Okay, we are going to write 1. Very good. 4 tens and 2 ones. 42. 4 tens and 3 ones. 43. 4 tens and 3 ones.
44.
4 tens and 5 ones.
45.
45. Again 4 tens and 6 ones. 46. 4 tens and 7 ones.
47.
4 tens and 8 ones.
48.
4 tens and 9 ones.
49.
Again we have 10 sticks together. This will make just one bundle of 10. Now, 1 bundle of 5 tens, the number is 50. The 5 tens, the number is 50. Okay. Now, all are ready with the maths rough book? Ready with rough book?
Yes.
We'll start to write.
Yes.
Okay. Write 41 onwards. Okay. We can write 41 onwards. The number 41. The number 41 has 4 tens and 1 1. 4 tens and 1 1. So we have the first number 41. Are you ready with the pencil and rough book?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
4 bundles of 10. Yes. You can take a rough book and pencil. Okay, we are starting 41. Number 41. Those who completed, it's okay. Those who didn't complete, they can do with the ma'am. Okay. So we have 4 tens.
Ma'am, I completed.
Those who completed, please listen. And those who didn't complete, we can write together. Okay. So we have 4 tens and 1. Okay. 4 tens and 1. So 4 tens and 1 1. So what is the number? 4 tens and 1 1. What's the number?
41.
41. Now what is the spelling of 41? F O R 41. O-N-E-1. F-O-R-T-Y 41. O-N-E-1.
1.
So we have the next number. What's the next number?
42. 42.
How many tens and how many ones?
4 tens and 2.
4 tens. 4 tens. And how many ones?
4 tens and
2
2
ones.
ones.
Very good. 2 ones. So 4 tens and 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones. The number is 42. The number is
2.
2. What's the spelling?
42.
What's the spelling?
F-O-R.
T-Y.
42.
O. T-W-O. 2. T-W-O. 2. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. T-W-O. 2. 42.
Excuse me, my not finished.
Okay, you write. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. T-W-O. 2. 42.
42.
So 42 having 4 tens and 2 ones.
4 tens and 2 ones.
Very good. Anmia Regal, which number you are writing? Is it 41 or 42? Which number? Anmia, which number you are writing now?
And 0.
Anmia Regal, please unmute. Anmia, can you hear, ma'am? She's writing. So we can go to the next number. What's the next number?
43.
43. How many tens and how many ones?
4 tens and 3
Very good. 4 tens and 3 ones.
3 ones.
And 3. So we can draw 4 bundles of 10. Okay, and we have 3 ones.
3 ones.
So we can write
4 tens and 3 ones.
very good. 4 tens and 3 ones.
And 3 ones.
The number is 43.
43.
And the spelling is F-O-R-Y. 40. H-R-E-E. 43. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 43. 43.
E. H.
43 having 4 tens and 3 ones. 4 tens and 3 ones.
4 tens and 3 ones.
So we have 43. So what is the next number? What is the next number?
44.
44. How many tens and how many ones?
4 tens and 4 ones.
So we have 4 tens.
4 tens and 4 ones.
Very good. Four tens and 4 ones. 4 tens and 4 ones. The number is 4 tens and 4 ones. 44. 4 tens and 4. And it's window. And it's window. Are you writing? Okay. Ayan says. Ahian. Okay. Now I can see.
I'm writing 43.
Which number?
43.
Okay. Right. 43. 43. So we have 4 tens and 3 ones. 43. 4 tens and 3 ones. 43. And the spelling of 43 is F-O-R-Y. 43. T-H-R-E 43. Then we have the number 44. 4 tens and 4 ones. The number is 44. And spelling is F-O-R-Y. 4.
And ones equal
4.
43.
Now which number you completed? Which
I'm
number you
writing
completed?
43 spelling.
Okay, good. And that's Mindo. Which number you completed now? And then please unmute. Okay, we will move to the next number. And we have the next number. Which is the next
I'm
number?
writing 44. 45.
Okay, write 44. Then we will write 45.
Yes.
Okay. So 45 having how many tens and how many ones?
4 tens and 5 ones.
Very good. So we have next number 45. 45. So 4 tens. We have 4 tens.
And 1, 2, 3,
And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write.
4 tens and 5 ones.
Very good. So we have 4 tens and 5 ones. The number is 45. And the spelling of 45 is F-O-R-Y. 45. F-I-V-E. 5. 45. 45. F-O-R-T-Y 40 and F-I-V-E 5. 45. 45. Having 4 tens and 5 ones. 4 tens and 5 ones.
I have completed.
Very good. Shall we move to the next number? 46?
Yes.
So how many tens and how many ones in 46?
4 tens and 6 ones.
Very good. 4 tens and 6 ones. So we have 46. Four tens
And 6 ones.
Ah, good. One, two, three, four. 4 bundles of 10 and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
5.
and 6. So 4 bundles of 10 or 4 tens and
4 tens and 6 ones.
very good. What is the number? 4 tens and 6 ones? 46.
46.
What is the spelling of 46?
F-O-R-Y.
Huh. 40,
S-I-X.
46. F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-I-X 6 46 46.
I have completed.
Good. So those who completed 46 can write 47. Okay, 47. So how many tens and how many ones in 47?
Ma'am, I 4 tens and 7 ones.
Okay.
4 tens and 7 ones.
Very good, very good. So we have 4 tens
47.
and 7 ones. Four bundles of 10. 4 bundles of 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 tens and 7 ones.
And 7 ones.
4 tens
10
and
and 7 ones.
7 ones. The number is
47.
47. The spelling of 47 is F-O-R-T-Y 40. 7. S-E-E-N 7. 47. So 47 having 4 tens and 7 ones.
10 and 5 ones.
7 ones. 4 tens and 7 ones.
I have completed.
Number is 47. Spelling is F-O-R-T-Y-S-E-E-N 7. 47. And we have the next number
48.
48. How many tens and how many ones?
4 tens and 8 ones.
Very good, very good. We have next one 48 and having 4 tens and 8 ones.
48. 4 tens and 8 ones.
4 bundles of 10.
And 8 ones. 4 bundles of 10. 4
4 4 bundles of 10 or 4 tens and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Second 8.
So we have
4 tens.
4 tens
1.
and
And
8
8
ones.
ones.
Good. So we have the number. We have the number
48.
48. What is the spelling of 48?
F-O-R-T-Y.
F-O-R-T-Y. 40. E-I-G-H-T. 48. So 48 having 4 tens and 8 ones. The spelling of 48 is F-O-R-T-Y 40 E-I-G-H-T 8 48.
F-O-R-T-Y. E-I-G-H-T.
48. 48. Diya, which number? Diya KP?
15.
Diya KP, what is this next number?
49.
How many tens and how many ones?
4 tens and 9 ones.
4 tens and
My friend 15.
very good, Diya, very good. So we have the next number
Thank you.
49. We have the next number 49. Now all of you know how to write the bundles of 10. Okay? You all know how to write the bundles of 10.
Yes.
So next we have 49.
Ma'am, 5 bundles of 10.
That will make the number 50. So here we have 49. Okay? So 4 bundles of 10.
10.
Bundles of 10.
4 bundles of 10
And how many ones?
9
9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 4 tens
4
and 9 ones. 4 tens and 9 ones. The number is 49. Spelling of 49. F-O-R-T-Y 49. 49.
Ma'am, I want to see 46.
46.
Yes.
Okay. Let me check if it is there or not. Otherwise, I will write again. Okay. That screen gone. Which number you have to see? 46.
Ma'am, I writing 46.
Okay. You want to write 46? Ah. That board is gone. Okay, let me write for you. Want to see 46 once more?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have 46. 4 bundles of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 4 bundles of 10 and 6 ones.
Ones.
Okay. So we can write 4 tens
And 6
and
ones.
6 ones. The number is 46.
46.
The spelling is F-O-R-T-Y.
F-O-R-T-Y. S-I-X.
46.
46.
And next we have
47. 47.
So we have the number 47. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 tens.
Ma'am, I finished 49.
Okay, good. You can write 50. Okay, 4 tens and 7 ones. Somebody don't know how to draw 47. So that's why I'm doing again. 4 tens and 7 ones. So number is 47 and FORTY 47. Okay. Next we have
SCBE.
48. Okay. 48 having 4 bundles of 10. 4 bundles of 10 and 8 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 tens and 8 ones.
8 ones.
So we have 48 and the spelling is FORTY 48. So by this I am winding up the session today. Okay, 49 and 50 we will write tomorrow. Then we will do some exercises which is related to bundles of tens or tens. Okay, so I'm going to winding up the session today. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.